I am so happy. I went and got a walk treadmill. Listen, it just got here. I'm so happy because it's cold outside now. I haven't been getting my steps in, and I'm trying to get back into the groove of things. I'm happy it's here. I'm gonna open it just now. Good morning, honey buns. So, let's see if we could get some light in here. Ooh, yellow. But it's all good. We love it. We love it. Anyways, it's relighting. And it's funny because it's dull outside. And whatever is going on, we're going to deal with it. Anyway, we are expecting a snowstorm here in New York, right? So, I went to the supermarket and this is what I got. Snow food. Storm food? I don't know. But yeah. I got some crackers. Excelsior water crackers. Right? Storm food. I got some cheese. Dairy free, as you could see. Right. I got eggs, which this or tofu. I don't eat regular eggs. Yeah, so I got some like ramen pack soups. So this is the Asian vegetable one. This is the tofu miso one. This is the shiitake mushroom one. Same thing for this. And the lemongrass ginger one. So yes, those is only flavors that I got. I got some creamer, a pack of cereal, banana cluster cereal, and grape nut, my favorite stuff. I love this stuff. Yep. So that's what I got from the supermarket, including a cantaloupe here and some tangerines. But it's funny, I already have some tangerines here, some avocado, which I got from the other day, some bananas, and lemon. I feel as though I'm good, right? That's good enough. Plus, I have stuff you cook. Anyway, I'm not worrying about that. So my daughters, they're normally with their booze on the weekends, which is, I don't see them Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday. So I might be by myself. But it doesn't even matter, Life is for living when you're young. So have fun. Be respectful, but have fun. Live life. There's nothing wrong with going out and mingling. It's just how you do it. Am I right or wrong? What you think? Young people, enjoy life. Enjoy life. Okay? Enjoy life. When you're young, enjoy life. But, so that's all I have for today. And I don't know. Let's see what this storm setups is going to be. They say we're expecting 11 inches or so. And plus I went and got the boiler, just in case, because I have to change the one I have so she could breathe good. Your boiler system. Anyway, so I'm gonna change that out. But first, I'm gonna drink some tea. And guess what I got? One spice bun. So I'm gonna have this and some tea, which I'm gonna make now. Cause I've been in the street early. Child, I've been in the street early doing, yeah, trying to make sure I'm in and out the supermarket. When me tell you say the supermarket, oh, so I made myself breakfast, which is very simple. Um, it's so simple, simple so till this is what I'm having. I sliced it and cut it in 4 pieces, but I put butter in it and hot chocolate. That's what I made. As you could see, I pack away the stuff, put them in their place. Now I'm going to eat. Um, need to go refill this by Home Depot brand Primo. Anyway, I'm here. Home Depot say they ain't got no salt. You hear me? No salt at all. So whoever is looking salt now in New York, it's like you late. Listen, so crazy. But hopefully we all get through this. We haven't had a snowstorm in so long. So long. Yeah, so long. See, I put away the fruits up here. Let's see the setup today. But I had my breakfast. And this is why I hate eating heavy in the mornings, because now I just want to sit down and chill. Yes, I want to sit and chill. Yeah. But it's what it is. But I got some stuff to do. I don't know. I need to go put the thing in the insert in the vent. My hot chocolate was good. So whenever I'm eating anything sweet, I don't normally put sugar or anything in. So I drink it as is. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Anyway, guys, so I went and I changed out the filter. This is the one. This the dirty one. Back and front. Nasty. Let me show you. Ew. See? Nasty. This is the dirty one. So the new one is in. Ew. See the difference? See the difference. Ah, gosh. Anyway, yeah. So I picked the water up and put it up here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. See outside. It's crazy. It's all snow on the ground. Yep, it's a snow day today. It's snowing here in New York. Yes, snow day mean soup day. Snow day is soup day. Snow day is soup day. You have to stay warm. Yep. It's definitely a soup day. And find a movie, watch it, chill, because New York is white like snow. Yes. Look out there. You can't see shit. It's crazy. It's crazy. See that lion in the street? My neighbor walked with his snowblower. He goes to the store and he comes back whenever it snows. Snow day. Snow day is fun day. Anyway, this is breakfast. So I'm gonna cut this and eat it. First about snow day breakfast. I washed it. See how it looks? but that's what it is. So I'm gonna cut this up and go find something on the TV to watch. Here it is. I should turn the light on. I should really turn the light on. Me alone in the house, I don't turn nothing on. The lights stay off. It stays off. When I'm in the house to myself, the lights is off. I'll be in the air in the pitch dark. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat this. And that's that. There we go. Yeah.
Look, come on, baby.
Let's see what this is on a snow day.
Wilbur.
Yeah, I'm tell you.
What we got?
I've never seen him learn like this while he's going crazy.
Well, it's done. The movie was okay. It was okay. The Rip, a lot of money, but damn. So I had my little watermelon. Not watermelon. I had my little cantaloupe, but I made a chia pudding. I just feel like I'm gonna be eating everything today. Being in here. So see, it's a chia pudding I made with bananas. That's all. Chia pudding with bananas. So this is what I'm going to have. I had my cantaloupe. It was so good. It was so good. And yeah, that's it. So chia pudding now. Good morning. Or should I say good afternoon? Good afternoon. Kitchen work. It's cold outside. New York is icy. Ain't nowhere to go. I haven't been out the house since the snowstorm. But I'm tired of being in the house now. I'm tired of being in the house. It's long enough. It's long enough. It's long enough. Let me get dinner started. Quinoa is what we're doing today. Yeah. I have some in here. So that's in there. So I'm washing my quinoa. To be honest, I don't know what dinner is today. All I know is I'm throwing something together. I got chickpeas. I got zucchini, garlic and green onions, thyme, onions. I'll figure it out as I go along, I guess, right? Make sure I put this quinoa in here. Did anybody watch His and Her? Oh my God, that movie took me out. Ugh. It's like I guessed it, and then I second guessed it, and then I guessed it. That that movie, that movie, His and Her. That's when you talk about holding somebody down or having their back till they die. That movie, that His and Her. That His and Her. You watch my stuff. Hey. That His and Her was good. But I also watched one called Behind Her Eyes. Oh my God. Oh no. That His and Her was good. But that Behind Her Eyes. That make you think. That Behind Her Eyes make you think, okay? So quinoa is on, and the chickpeas is on. Definitely a ice one winterland, wonderland. New York is loaded with ice,
And
baby.
this is where nobody can stand it no more in because now
Can
you
get
start
dirty.
to see it. No, yes, the dirty snow. When you see the white, everybody want it. But once it change color, nobody no want to see it. Watching my digging a real hard shovel in my fair use. Because the plastic shovel now do not no more. So even that when I walk it now I said, I should have said I'm not gonna take up the spade, but I left it.
Left up the what?
The spade, the one with chip.
Oh,
Chip it, yeah.
no, you know, get lucky now. Susie know what time it is. Susie know the deal. Susie say, I know the.
Look on the mountain, the more them I
Go
get
through,
higher and
go
higher.
through, go through, go through, go through, go through.
Don't you make me come down.
Acha, not tap a top sign. Him just go straight through it.
Them not use that no more. Probably they don't want to use like that. Because everybody want to be the first one if it come out. Like yesterday,
No, right?
you just driving in the middle.
It's New York, baby. It's New York.
You have to know for yourself.
They
This
find
damn
that.
thing hot now, man. We bet the pan three,
Me
put
no
the pan
know.
two.
Whatever you have it on, it's on. And we expecting snow again Sunday. New York is crazy. We buried under it. We are. But anyway, we still having fun. Nothing stop New Yorkers. We still have to be on the move. Okay? Still have to be on the move. You know, cold little girl? A -5 degrees. The what? You funny.